Okay, this is called Travessa do Gafanhoto. And it looks like we're basically gonna go check out this little area and just kind of go down this little alley. There's a ton of little stuff all the way around here, so we're gonna just explore a little bit and try to stay faithful to our little Travessa. Travessa's like a lane just by the side. I just came in here going down this little warehouse thing that went to another road. It's kind of surprised. But anyways, this is the basic area that we're at. And you can see there's other streets here. This is Rua do Pasadizo, and you got some kind of interesting apartments everywhere as well, like that. And let's go explore Gafanhoto. So this is kind of Japanese. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Gafanhoto. Okay, so let's see what this is all about. So I guess the first thing we have, we got this one is actually like exercise. So there's a whole wall of exercise in there. I don't know if you can see it with the glare. We got some nice artwork. I'll try to step back a little bit. And now you can maybe see it. Heavy Metal Fitness Club. So everybody's going into this particular place. I'm just gonna poke around the camera real quick and just kind of see. Oh, that looks nice. So this is actually a nice little venue right here. Let me just kind of see. Now you can see what it looks like. Okay, so that's at this Travessa do Gafanhoto. So you got Metal Fitness Club right on the corner, and then it looks like it goes right into these little alleys everywhere. So we're gonna see what's all in here. And one of the things, I have been in here before, and one of the things that I've noticed about this is that there's a ton of different becos and Travessas. So sometimes it's a little bit, it's like, I think originally when it was first created, it basically had a ton of little homes everywhere. So that's a Travessa do Panu. And then you got all these little alleys. Here's another one, Travessa do Calchech. And then of course you got all kinds of little stuff down there, including some kind of interesting housing in here. I would love to explore that, but I think I have to go and explore that in the daytime because the nighttime won't really connect it very well. Travessa do Panu. Let me just kind of take a look in here real quick, and then we're gonna circle back and try to find our Gafanhoto and stay faithful to our street, our target street. So let me just kind of see here. So now we got another one, Balsamo. And that one goes down like that. And then you got more alleys down here, Balsamo again. And we're gonna, so the origin to this area, I believe, would be, all of these would be like basically little residential places historically. Like a kind of a mix of different things. So our Gafanhoto was over that way, so let's head back in that direction. And we're gonna see how this all connects as well. I think it's gonna connect down this street, but you can see there's another Balsamo right there, and a Bucio. And I think this is gonna be Gafanhoto. Yeah, so you can see this is actually Gafanhoto Street, and you got a little corner place right here as well. So actually this is kind of nice because you can open up all those windows as well. Open up the doors, and then you can have some indoor-outdoor space right there. So we're gonna head back down that street in a moment, but before we do, we're gonna come out over here, and I'm just gonna quickly introduce a few other small things here. So you can see this Bucio goes into more alleys that are down in that direction. And then this is the main street, Padre Antonio Rolis. So it's a Hua street. And then you can see right here, there's a bunch of people that kind of maintain the area. And then this main street goes all the way down. So that'll go down to, there's a bunch of markets down in that direction. So that's all down in that way. And then you got more alleys in these other ways too. You just kind of, some of the architecture around here. So some of these buildings are quite new. And we are going to head down. And I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to head up the street, which is Padre Antonio Rolis Street. So we're going to head up to the main street up here. And then we're going to come back down to the other way. Alleys. And then we're going to come up this way. Up there is Mongha. There's a big hill up there. Have really amazing views of the city from Mongha up there. And this is another kind of main street. So just to give you a little context, there's a big university up, not a university, it's a Institute of Fashion Technology is up there. They do a lot of stuff with like cooking. Some of these Macau houses are over that way. This is the rooftop of this little area that we were just looking at. And we're gonna come back down and we're gonna come back to our target street. Our target street was down this way. Okay. So now you kind of get a little idea of the context of everything. Then this is the street that we were just at a little while ago, which is Gafanhoto. So there's a cafe right here as well. And we're just gonna walk down it. And then we're gonna end our video. So there's Travessa do Gafanhoto. Okay, so we're gonna come back down and then we've completed our street. There's another, this little place has like pork chop buns and stuff like that. You can see some of the food choices here. So yeah, basically there's like one on that side down on the other side that has a nice indoor-outdoor, and this one has a nice window. And then you got all these kind of famous Macau ones, pork chop buns. It's like kind of basic onions and beef within the sandwich as well. And you got lots of noodles too. Okay, so let's walk out this way. So if you remember, we basically started it in this way. A lot of people park their bikes in here. We got the Balsamo streets and different streets in here. And then ours comes back out to this little area, including the heavy metal club, fitness club. So pretty cool. And then we also have, this kind of goes out to another street. You can just walk through this little industrial thing. So that's our target street. And then you got some other kind of interesting stuff. It's part of that building right there. So let's just come right here. I think that's the perfect shot right there. So our street is Travessa do Gafanhoto. So hope you like it. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la